Mr. Speaker, Member of the House, good morning. The motion of government was ban of advertisement that promotes a particular body prototype. First of all, let's define ban. Ban is to forbid something officially or legally so that it cannot be done, used, seen, or read. Then let's also define prototype. Original use as model. The original form of something which has the essential features and it's the model of the sequence form. Advertisement is a paid from a non-personal communication. Advertising promotes ideas, goods, and services of an identified sponsor. The main purpose of advertisement is to create sales. So, how can an advertisement create sales if we will ban them in promoting their goods or services? If there is no advertisement, it may affect the sales of a specific good that may cause problems such as decrease on their publicity and fall down of their sales. And I guess using a specific part of body as a model of certain product is fine as long as it is not too showy of sensitive parts and not combined with too daring poses. We can suggest a variety poses or angling of body parts when modeling something. And banning of a specific advertisement is too unfair because per advertisement can cost 30,000 and above. It is too expensive and so banning is not fair on the side of the owner of the product. And one thing for example, how can I promote my product if my model do not show their body parts? For example, I'm selling or promoting an underarm whitening cream, and there is a ban of advertising body parts. How can people know that it is for underarm? We just need to accept the fact that not all Filipinos are educated. Therefore, I contradict the motion given to us by the government team. We should not ban advertisement that promotes body prototype because I believe that we convey more message or more information through visuals than oral. Thank you.